In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce password, which can be incredibly helpful if you've lost access or simply want to update your credentials. Now, this process might vary slightly depending on how your specific Salesforce organization is set up, particularly if they use single sign-on or have a self-service reset option, but don't worry. We'll cover the most common methods that should work for most users. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the right place. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to type in login salesforce.com. Alternatively, if your company uses a unique Salesforce domain, you should use that specific login URL instead. This will take you to the place where you can access your Salesforce account. Now, once you've reached the login page, you might notice a helpful link that says, "Forgot your password?" It's usually right beneath the login fields. Click on that link, and it will guide you into the password reset workflow. At this point, you'll need to enter your Salesforce username. For most users, your username will be the email address associated with your account. After typing in your username, simply click on the Continue button. After this step, it's time to check your email. Salesforce will send a password reset email to the email address linked with your account. It's important to use the full and unaltered link provided in this email, as some users have reported issues when email scanners or clients inadvertently modify these links. Make sure to open this email and click on the password reset link inside to proceed with creating a new password. When you click on the link, you'll be redirected to a secure page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong and memorable password. It's always a good idea to mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create a secure password. Once you've entered your new password, make sure to save those changes. Finally, after successfully resetting your password, head back to the Salesforce login page. You'll want to enter your username and the newly created password. Then, click that Sign In button, and you should be right back into your Salesforce environment. And there you have it. A straightforward and reliable method to reset your Salesforce password. Remember, if you encounter any problems during this process, it might be worth reaching out to your organization's support team, as they might have specific settings or additional security measures in place. Also, consider updating your password regularly to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Salesforce endeavors.